In this video, we are going to see about how to send the system notification with the help of Python programming language. To do this, so we have to import notification from plier library in the Python. And after that, we have to create the send notification function in which we will pass title and message, and we will call inside this method notification.notify, and we will pass the title, we will pass the message, and whatever the app name we are going to consider for the notification, and the timeout after which the notification will be closed. Okay, and we will print the notification sent on the console and call the system send notification. So let us start. So let us run this program. So I am running this program, python system notification.py, then click on enter. So it is saying no module named plier, so you have to install this module. So we will install it with pip install plier okay. So this module will be installed. After that, we will be able to run our program successfully and the notification will come on our system. So this module has been installed successfully. Now let us run the program again. Python system notification.py, notification sent. So this notification is came over here, task complete, your automated task has been finished. So this is the Python system notification. I hope you like this video. So thanks for your time. See you in the next video.